I'm not saying that the girl was lying. Not saying that, because who knows what a person is going through? Who knows what they're allergic to? We don't know. So we are here to help and help the best way we can. But other than that, look, I ain't even stop using Ecostyler gel until it start do something to me now. Now I have, I done have made my videos too when things just didn't work for me, and I put it out there, But
this is what we're thankful. This is what we think. I can't believe we made it. This is different. Hey, hell, see the crowd going, hey, shit. Give me my check. Put some respect on my check.
Hey girl, thank you for joining me. If you want to see how I get this puff, girl, let me tell you. Watch the video through and you can see why I love Ecostyler gel. I find that to be the best gel for African American hair. I really do like it because of the simple fact that it's easy to do. It's not sticky. It's not all that crap. It's not very icky. I love Ecostyler gel on my hair because it gives me that smooth look, and it also makes sure that I don't have no flyaways in my puff. Now, I have to refresh my hair about every 2 days, when probably latest every 2 days. The best look is the fresh look when you're doing your hair. I think Ecostyler gel does a wonderful job for us giving you that look that you've been looking for its smoothness, and everything is in place. Like, it just does that. It gives me that shine. It makes my hair feel wonderful. It does what it's supposed to do. Okay, now a lot of commodity, a lot of it's been going down with the Ecostyler, but nevertheless, it's always something with something. We always experience something that somebody else don't experience, and then some people do experience it, what other people experience, and sometimes it just works like that. But however, due to the fact that I've never had that problem with Ecostyler gel. If you guys don't know, people have said that something about the burning of the eye using the Ecostyler gel, because there's a chemical in there that is unbalanced or whatnot. However, I have not experienced such thing. Now, I'm not saying that the girl was lying. Not saying that, because who knows what a person is going through? Who knows what they're allergic to? We don't know. So we are here to help and help the best way we can. But other than that, look, I ain't even stop using Ecostyler gel until it start do something to me now. Now I have, I done have made my videos too when things just didn't work for me, and I put it out there, But I never told anyone not to use the product. I just said it didn't work for me. I don't really believe in, telling people not to use something. I just want to let you know what I feel about that product. So, however, my process and my situation with the Ecostyler gel has been great. I've been using it since I was natural, and I totally love it. So if you guys want to accomplish something like this, please do get you some Ecostyler gel. I think it's wonderful. I think it's wonderful. I have never experienced anything bad to happen to me while I'm using Ecostyler gel. If you guys don't know, I also like the Cream of Nature Gorilla Snot Gel. That is so awesome for shine. And I kind of like to mix it up together with the Ecostyler sometime, because it gives me, the best of both worlds, because the snot is more hardening than Ecostyler. It makes your hair more harder, and I like that because the style lasts super, super duper long. So if you guys are willing to try out that and see more about that, please do. Let me know, and I will do a review on that Gorilla Snot. Let me know below, girl. Please don't be a stranger, and be sure that you come back and you subscribe to this channel. Don't play. Subscribe, girl. I love you. My father love you more. See you later. Bye, girl. Off, and now you see that I have waves and everything in every direction of my hair. I truly, 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 truly love using Ecostyler gel.